Planning your weekly meals can help you save time and money and ensure you eat nutritious and balanced meals throughout the week. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to plan your weekly meals. Set aside time for planning. Choose a specific day and time each week to dedicate to meal planning. This could be a Sunday afternoon or any other day that works for you. Take inventory. Before you start planning, check your pantry, refrigerator, and freezer to see what ingredients you already have. This will help you avoid buying unnecessary items and make use of what you already have. Determine your goals. Consider your dietary needs, health goals, and any specific preferences or restrictions. Decide if you want to focus on healthy eating, weight loss, or specific cuisines, and keep these goals in mind as you plan your meals. Find recipe inspiration. Look for recipe ideas from cookbooks, websites, blogs, or food apps. You can also browse through your favorite recipes or family favorites for inspiration. Consider choosing recipes that share common ingredients to minimize waste and simplify your shopping list. Create a meal plan template. Use a meal planning template or simply make a list of the days of the week. Decide which meals you want to plan, such as breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Keep in mind any specific events or occasions during the week that might influence your meal choices. Fill in the meals. Start by selecting 1 or 2 main dishes for each day, focusing on a variety of proteins, grains, and vegetables. Consider incorporating leftovers into your plan to reduce cooking time. Make sure to include balanced meals with a mix of carbohydrates, proteins, healthy fats, and vegetables. Plan for leftovers. If you enjoy leftovers or prefer batch cooking, intentionally include meals that can be made in larger quantities and enjoyed for multiple days. This can help save time and effort. Prepare a shopping list. Based on the recipes you've chosen, create a comprehensive shopping list. Organize it by sections such as produce, dairy, meat, and pantry items. This will make your shopping trip more efficient and ensure you have everything you need for the week. Be flexible. Remember that your meal plan is a guide, and it's okay to make adjustments throughout the week based on your preferences, leftovers, or unforeseen circumstances. Remain flexible and adapt as needed. By following these steps, you can efficiently plan your weekly meals, save time, and enjoy a variety of delicious and nutritious dishes throughout the week.